project I'm working on. I wanted to be able to take my drone off, my AR drone off from water and land safely and take off. And I had rubber feet, like insulation, and it interfered with the propeller, with the downdraft from the propellers, so it didn't really fly very well. So I had to figure something else out. So what I did was I bought an extra indoor shell and carefully cut out the top, which then you flip it over and it becomes the bottom for this guy. That way you can see out the bottom. And it still has its sensors and everything ready through there. So my next trick is to put Velcro strapping to hold the body on, and I'll give it a shot. I also just put reinforced. They're not broken. I just put reinforcements here because it seems awful thin right there. So I just want to be careful because I don't want to have to buy another indoor shell to do this with. So yeah, there it is, man. The amphibious AR drone.